Your metabolism is how your body turns food into energy. But what nobody tells you is that most people's metabolisms are broken. Not because they're slow, but because they've lost flexibility. That's the phrase you've probably been seeing everywhere lately, metabolic flexibility. It's blowing up online right now, but hardly anyone is explaining it in a way that actually makes sense. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what metabolic flexibility is, why it's critical for your energy, and how to restore it naturally without counting calories, supplements, or using caffeine. So what exactly is metabolic flexibility? It simply means your body can switch between burning sugar and burning fat for fuel easily and efficiently. When you eat, your body gets glucose from food. That's your short-term fuel. When you don't eat, say you're between meals or sleeping, your body is supposed to switch over to stored fat. A healthy metabolism will flip back and forth between these two systems all day automatically. But when your metabolism becomes inflexible, that switch breaks. You get stuck in one gear, the sugar burning gear. That's when you start feeling tired all the time because your body has forgotten how to use fat for energy. Metabolic inflexibility doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow process, and it starts with one simple habit: eating too much. We've been conditioned to believe we need to eat constantly. Breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and then another snack before bed. That's 6 eating sessions in a single day. And every time you eat, you raise your insulin, the hormone that tells your body to store energy, not burn it. When insulin is always high, your body never gets the signal to burn fat. Over time, your metabolism becomes completely dependent on sugar for energy. You get tired or irritable if you skip a meal. You crave sugar and carbs, especially in the afternoon. You rely on caffeine for basic energy. You feel sluggish even after eating. You gain fat easily, especially around your midsection. You feel mentally foggy even after sleep. These are all symptoms of metabolic inflexibility, your body telling you it's stuck in sugar mode. But the good news is this: you can fix it. This isn't about dieting, it's about teaching your metabolism to remember to burn fat again. Step 1, create space between meals. Stop snacking. Give your body time between meals to relearn how to pull it from stored fat. Step 2, eat real food, not manufactured energy. Refined carbs and seed oils keep you stuck. Whole plant-based foods restore balance. Step 3, move daily, but don't overtrain. Gentle movement trains your metabolism to use fat efficiently. Step 4, get off the stimulant roller coaster. This is why most people will probably not even finish this video, because it's true. Caffeine dependency keeps you stuck in sugar burning mode, but most people don't want to hear that. Step 5, prioritize recovery. Sleep, sunlight, and hydration all play a massive role in cellular repair and metabolic strength. When you restore metabolic flexibility, your body becomes very resilient. You wake up energized, not dependent on coffee. You can skip meals and feel clear-headed. Your digestion improves, your inflammation drops, your mental focus sharpens, and your relationship with food changes. You stop seeing it as comfort and start seeing it as fuel. Because the system runs on metabolic inflexibility. Big food and big pharma profit from your fatigue. If you're always tired, you'll keep buying caffeine, snacks, supplements, and medications. If you're healthy, you're independent. That's why I make these videos, to remind you that your body already knows how to heal. So if you're tired of feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, this is your wake-up call. Start by eating less often, eating real food and giving your body the chance to switch fuels again. Within a few days, you'll start to notice the difference. And in a few weeks, you'll feel like a completely different person. If this helped you understand metabolic inflexibility in plain English, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want me to break down my exact fasting and eating schedule, drop the word energy in the comments. I'm Kevin. This is the Modern Healing Method. And remember, your body's not broken. It's just waiting for you to let it do what it was designed to do in the first place.